It is crazy how well Solana is holding itself through these volatile waves in the crypto markets right now. We've still got a $212 Solana. I think it's very interesting because when you kind of compare what's going on with things like, Ethereum, which is constantly going down. You can see the first time Bitcoin hit 100K, Ethereum was 4K. Now Bitcoin hits 100K the sixth time and ETH is just $2,700. Meanwhile, Solana is really holding itself quite strong here. So is Solana at a good time to potentially be accumulating? Is it worth a new entry at $211? Let's talk about Sol in this particular video, folks. It's still holding really well. You can see here, look, application revenue serves as an indicator of successful businesses within an ecosystem. So Solana has some top revenues here, absolutely crumbling away, destroying Ethereum, really sitting at the top, very, very high. It's taking a lot of share in terms of sort of DApp revenues and things, I think like that. So insane. Solana looking very good. Let's check out these charts. You can see Solana's had a wild ride. 2021, it did very well. It already hit $250 in 2021. But what's interesting is, firstly, is it a good time to buy Solana? Well, typically, the best time to have bought Solana was anywhere down here, anywhere an altcoin with tons of fundamental value and utility. If it corrects 96%, 90%, 85%, 80%, typically that's your sort of dollar cost average window. Now, Solana from top to bottom, it did go down 95%, which is absurd. And I personally do not think it will ever correct 95% ever again. But you can really see how well it's holding itself. Yes, there's some volatility. We did clip down from $300 down to $177. So a lot of volatility still here, guys. But yeah, if you captured that $174 buy-in, could have been quite a good area. Now, we don't want this to, of course, be a bear trap or a bull trap by any means. We don't want this to be a dead cat bounce, so to speak. But for sure, we can see big point of interest for Solana has to be right now that $170, $180 sort of region. We've got a lot of overhead resistance to factor in, however. Now, last time what happened is Solana was trading pretty much in this macro descending channel, and it came down. It found a decent point of interest down here around these $180. So right now we can see it's sort of doing something similar. It's kind of trading within this descending channel here, if you want to call it a descending channel, but it does look like it could be setting up for that breakout. We could potentially see a breakout happen here for Solana if the markets return bullish. Now, what I ultimately want to see is a break through the all-time high and back through this major resistance at like $250 here. If we can get that, things will start to look very, very juicy for Solana. We break through this $250, but on the contrary, we could easily also fall back down depending on what the rest of the markets do. Looking at the weekly time frame, we were previously pretty cooked in November. Solana was very, very cooked, but right now it's holding itself quite nice, getting a lot of buyback support. You can see these weekly candles here. On the accumulation side of things, a lot of people are dollar cost averaging, buying back into that $180 sort of region, which is definitely an integral level of support right now. I think personally, lots of alts are getting absolutely annihilated and have been over the last few hours, and it's not been an amazing week at all for crypto. But if we can keep on printing higher lows, make that next higher high, we should be in a good place here for, Solana. It does look like it could be quite interesting. I'm really looking forward to this next sort of bounce out the hole. I think that's when things can get pretty interesting. And yeah, it's just a matter of when. I think Solana is still one of the coins that I'm very much excited about in this particular crypto space. We've got the greed in the market supporting this sort of momentum and bullish behavior, fingers crossed. And you can see on the day, this market is just crazy. One day we're completely nosediving. The next we're making a slightly bullish recovery. But right now, Ethereum is weird. Ethereum is not feeling amazing right now. It's feeling a bit strange, I must say. Also, Discord, Jacob's Crypto Clan. We are sitting at 39,000 members. Just showing you guys some of the massive wins in the Discord. The proof is right here. A lot of traders are making incredible amounts of money in the Discord channel. So please consider joining Jacob's Crypto Clan. My Discord just down below. If you are curious about that, you can explore many different channels here. We've got meme coins, stealth launches, ICOs, trading signals, the whole lot. And yeah, some people are making some great wins. Some people are unfortunately not making the best wins either. I mean, we can't get 100% accuracy, but for sure, these guys are making some big gains, as you can see right here. So feel free to check out the Discord, link that one down below. Overall, Solana looking pretty juicy, I think. But of course, not financial advice. Don't go ape into these particular coins. The volatility is still there, but of course we've got to get back to where we were at those high $270, $280 here for Solana. If you're also in the crypto space wanting to maximize your journey, you can check out down below my Patreon. This will unlock you VIP access to my Discord channel, where you guys can, of course, enjoy some of those juicy trading signals and hopefully make some more money. And if you are out there looking for a new exchange, don't disregard the power of KSEX. This is the lowest fee exchange in the entire crypto market. You're going to save a lot of money using an exchange like KSEX, where you're going to see how low these fees are right here. The spot fees are 0%, the futures fees are basically 0%, and also on the taker side, 0%. Incredibly low fees that will save you money over time. You can also use my other favorite exchange, Bitunix. Get signed up to this one. They've got tons of trading pairs. And I think what's really interesting about this one is it's got on-ramp, off-ramp features, which allows you to get fiat currency into the crypto markets nicely. It's great for derivatives, copy trading, staking, slightly higher fees overall. But these two work hand in hand pretty well. You can use Bitunix to on-ramp your fiat from your bank account or whatever. Of course, make sure you're following the regulations in your own country. And then you can send the crypto from Bitunix into KSEX if you want to enjoy the lower fees that you get with the KSEX exchange over here, guys. So still getting tons and tons of different pairs. Definitely worth having a look at, in my opinion. And you might even get some of these big, juicy bonuses that you can get if you use my links down below. That should help you guys also get more bonuses in the market. So they are doing sign-up bonuses at the moment, which is really, really cool to see. Great exchanges, no KYC, by the way, guys, and globally accessible wherever you are in the world. So that should definitely help you. And these work in tandem with, of course, the trading signals. So sign up to the exchange, become a patron, boom, you've got your signals ready to go, ready to get trading. I think it's about as easy as that. So we'll see you very soon. Bye for now and stay crypto safe. Peace.